In this video, I will show you how to create a zoom in text bounce effect in Premiere Pro. Click on the type tool and enter your text. Then go to Essential Graphics and make any changes you want to the text. Next, right click the text layer and select Speed Duration. Change the duration to 15 and click OK. Under Effect Controls, click the stopwatch icon next to the scale and set the value to 1200. Move forward 5 frames and change the scale value to 95. Then move ahead 5 more frames and change it to 100. To copy this effect to your other text, right-click Vector Motion and select Copy. Then highlight your other text layers and press Ctrl+V to paste the effect. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.